Hello lovely dancers, my name is Aisha and welcome back to belly dance tutorials. In today's class I'm gonna go over another Arabic rhythm that's used in belly dance songs, which is Masmoudi. The rhythm Masmoudi, actually we should call it Masmoudi kebir, which means long Masmoudi or big Masmoudi. It's a long and slow rhythm, longer than the others that I described previously in the other tutorials, so please check out the playlist. I will link it down below with the Arabic rhythms. So Masmoudi Kabir is pretty much an extension of the Masmoudi Sagir or Baladi rhythm. So it's a longer version of that. And the rhythm goes like this: dum, dum, tek, dum, tek, tek, dum, dum, tek, dum, tek, tek. So this is the core of the rhythm. And as I said, it's a long one. It goes over 8 counts. And I'll show you how to count this rhythm on my fingers. So it'll go like this: dum, dum, tek, dum, tek, tek, dum, dum, tek, dum, tek, tek. Yes, 8 counts. The rhythms that I described previously are shorter and faster. So for instance, Malfouf is a 2-count rhythm. Dum-tek, tek, dum-tek, tek, dum-tek, tek, dum-tek, tek. Saidi, Maksum, and Beledi are a 4 counts rhythm. And for instance, Saidi will go like this: dum-tek, dum-dum-tek, dum-tek, dum-dum-tek, dum-tek, dum-dum-tek. 4 counts, yeah. So this is an 8 counts rhythm. Now, as I said, it's long and sultry. It's the rhythm where you come to the center of the stage and do lots of core movements. My personal preference for Masmoudi is hips, chest, belly movements, so all core. But you can definitely step around a little bit, like we did in Beledi or Maksum. So yeah, you can definitely do weight changes from one leg to the other, step, on dooms or techs, or turn around. But it's not a running around rhythm, so you don't go out too much. It's pretty much within your body projection on the floor, yeah. So it's not, you don't go too far with that. And as I said, it can be a little faster or slower, but it's never too fast. It's used in drum solos or as part of a regular Arabic song. Even in drum solos, it's not too fast. Now, the rhythm has a lot of silent spaces, silent notes in between the core, texts, and dooms. And these are usually filled by the drummer with various things, embellishments, with rolls, dum-teks, whatever embellishments that they know. So a filled rhythm may sound like this: dum, dum, teka, teka, tek, dum, teka, teka, tek, teka, teka, tek, dum, dum, teka, teka, tek, dum, teka, teka, tek, teka, teka, tek. So this is the whole rhythm, just one phrase of that rhythm. And if I want to count this on my fingers, it will be like this: dum, dum, teka, teka, tek, dum, teka, teka, tek, teka, teka, tek, dum, dum, teka, teka, tek, dum, teka, teka, tek, teka, teka, tek. Sometimes it can have a little transition to the next phrase, like a quick dum-tek. So that will be a closed rhythm. Sometimes it just stops and there is a short break and the next phrase starts. I'll give you an example, and this is from a drum solo that I have. So let's see how it goes. One more time, and I'll try to say the rhythm. Dum, dum, tek, dum, tek, tek, dum, dum, tek, dum, tek, tek, dum, dum, tek, dum, tek, tek, dum, dum, tek, dum, tek. As I said before, sometimes the drummers may skip a tek or a ka or replace it with something else, or it may or may not be there. But the dooms are usually where they should be, and that is what anchors the rhythm. So I'll give you an example of the moves you can do on Masmoudi. Again, the possibilities are endless because it's one of the core rhythms in a dance. So you can do everything, anything you know. But again, just don't move around too much. Just stay. It's more stationary, and also employ lots of core movement, chest, hips, belly, because it's sultry, and this is where you show off your core movements. The music slows down, and maybe you run. You had a faster rhythm before. You ran around, but the music slows down, and all the focus is now on you. So we will use this segment here, this music, which is from a drum solo. So it has a little embellishments, very good for belly flutter, for instance. So I will show you what I want to do first, and then I'll go over the description. So I will describe. So there are two phrases back to back. So in the first one, we will do chest drop, 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 then an undulation. Then there is an accent in the music, and we'll do a quick drop. Embellishment, which are rolls, and we will do the belly flutter. Then two accents with a hip, and we'll do front and back. And then we will turn around with a low turn, come on the other side, and there's an accent here, which is the end of the phrase, I think. And we will do like a drop and lift. It's a pop, down. So down and up, tuck, tuck, yeah. On the other side, we will continue with the hips on the first two dooms. Doom, doom. On the teka, teka, tek, it's an undulation, teka, teka, tek. Then the middle part of the rhythm, we will do amis, ami, ami. And on the last part of the rhythm, we will do accents with weight change. So it's gonna be front leg, back leg, scoop with shimmies, and turn to the other side, and we'll continue again. Yeah? So first phrase, one more time, is gonna be chest, 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 and roll, chest accent. And then flutter. And then front and back, turn around with a low turn, accent. Next phrase is gonna be doom, doom. On teka, teka, tek, roll, ami, ami, ami. Hip front, hip back, scoop with shimmies, and turn. Yeah? So I will do this again, and I will say the rhythm. Doom, doom, teka, teka, tek, doom. Flutter. Doom, doom, around, and accent. Doom, doom, teka, teka, tek, doom, teka, teka, tek, teka, teka, tek, doom, doom, and scoop with shimmy and turn. So again, some of the sounds are replaced with rolls. So the text may not be there, as I said. So let's see how this goes on music now. Drop. Yes, let's try one more time from the beginning. Drop, drop, undulation, drop. Front, back, turn around, and accent. Drop, drop, undulation, army, army. Front, back, around. Drop, drop, undulation, drop. All right, I will do it one more time in a moment here. One more time, and down, down. Okay, dancers, so this was an example where I tried to incorporate both chest movements, hips, belly, turn around with a low turn, accents, and so on. Something to go on this particular type of music, which is from a drum solo. Anyway, yeah, just play around and try different things. Try to recognize the rhythm first in the songs that you have, and then yeah, just play it and just improvise anything that you feel like to the song that you have. Again, I'm not going to go into very many details about these rhythms. This is just the basic of them, and I hope you'll practice. Thank you so much for watching my video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you like to see videos like this. And I'll see you next time then. Shimmy, shimmy.